Morning students, welcome back in your English class. Hope you all are fit and fine. Students, yesterday we learned the question answers of chapter number 3. Today we will do our next question answers. So first of all we will look today's thought. Students, look, imagination is the only weapon in the war against reality. Now students, we will revise our question answers quickly. So take out your fair notebook. Chapter number 3, question answers of and friends. Student, I will divide my board into 2 pages. Okay? Now student, we will match our question answers that we done yesterday. First question was, what did Tony do after lunch every day? So what was the answer? Tony played with his friends after lunch every day. Our question number 2 was, what did Tony play with in the garden? Tony played with the bundles of sticks, dry leaves and old tin pail in the garden. Our question number 3 was, what did Tony see on the lawn? So the answer was, Tony saw shiny black ants marching up and down on the lawn. So we will write first of all our question number 4.
And our question number 4 is,
how were the ants carrying the big pieces of food? Or after reading the lesson, you would know what will the answer. The ants were carrying big pieces of food together in their mouths. So we will write this question and answers in our fair notebook. So be ready students. Start writing with me. How were the ants? स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने यहाँ पर चैप्टर नंबर 3 और उसका नेम डाला है, बट आप वहीं से स्टार्ट करोगे जहाँ से क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर आपने लिखा था. 1 लाइन लीव करने के बाद से आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 को लिखना question. The ants were carrying the big pieces of food. Now look the answer. The ants were carrying the big pieces of food. It means आंसर जब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं लिखना तो आधा पार्ट हमारा क्वेश्चन से ही आ जाता है. अब फूड के पीसेस को कैसे लेकर जा रही थी? Now the answer is together. T-O-G-E get T-H-E-R done. Together in there. T-H-E-I-R there. Mouse. M-O-U-T-H-S mouse. Full stop. कैसे लेके जा रही थी वो खाने का अपने जो फूड था? टुगेदर यानी एक साथ में. इन देयर मीन्स अपने माउथ यानी मुंह में. चींटियां एक साथ अपने मुंह में खाने के बड़े बड़े टुकड़े लेकर जा रही थी. So now student, we will write our question number 5. So we will leave one line. This line means leave one line. Then write down question number 5. And our question number 5 is, when did Tony finally say goodbye to the ants? यानी फाइनली लास्ट में बिल्कुल अंत में टोनी ने चींटियों को गुड बाय कब कहा? सो वी विल राइट दिस क्वेश्चन हियर. When, W-H-E-N, when means कब. Did, D-I-D, did. This is the helping verb of past tense. When did Tony, T-O-N-Y, Tony, finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally means बिल्कुल लास्ट में. Finally say, student, we will write goodbye in the inverted commas. Goodbye. Now the inverted comma close. Goodbye to the ants. Question mark. When means कब. टोनी ने फाइनली मीन्स अंत में. से मीन्स कहना. गुड बाय यानी बाय बाय. टू द एंड्स यानी चींटियों को. फाइनली अंत में, लास्ट में टोनी ने कब चींटियों को गुड बाय कहा? तो डू यू नो द आंसर? यस, यू नो द आंसर. When his mother was calling to him, then he said goodbye to the ants. We will write this answer here. So write down the heading A-N-S answer. So we will start our answer from here. Tony finally said. Look student, when we find did in our question, we will write past form of our verb in the answer. So we will write the answer from here. Tony finally, F-I-N-A-L-L-Y, finally, and the past form of say is said. S-A-I-D, said. Tony finally said, inverted comma में लिखेंगे goodbye, inverted comma close, goodbye to the ants when. Look student, this part of the answer came from the question. Tony finally said goodbye to the ants. Goodbye to the ants. कब कहा उसने goodbye? When he heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard. This is the past form of hear. Hear means sunna or heard means suna. When he heard his mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, calling, C-A What was the lesson? LESSON, lesson. He, LEARNT, learned from the ants. ANTS, ants. Question mark. What means क्या? Was means था. The lesson means सबक या फिर पाठ. He means वह. Learned means सीखा. From the ants यानी चींटियों से. यानी उसने किस
टोनी ने
चींटियों से क्या सबक सीखा? Do you know what was the lesson Tony learned from the ants? When I explained the chapter, and after explaining the chapter, I told you what was the outcome from the lesson. I told you that Tony learned an important lesson. What was that lesson? We will write our answer number 6. What was the lesson he learned from the ants? So we will write the answer from here. He learned, LEARNT, learned. He learned an important, IMPOR, PANT, important means महत्वपूर्ण. He learned an important lesson, 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 to always, ALWAYS, always work hard and work as a team. Full stop. He learned means उसने सीखा an important lesson, एक महत्वपूर्ण सबक, to always work hard, कि हमें हमेशा कठिन मेहनत, कठिन परिश्रम करना चाहिए, and work as a team, और एक टीम के रूप में एक समूह बनाकर काम करना चाहिए. So student, this is our question answers from chapter number 3. Now we will match our yesterday's homework's answers. Okay? So take out page number 1616 from your worksheet. And the paragraph was, ants came out again to get more food. They moved to one side to let others pass. They worked together and carried big pieces of food. They went up and down and up and down, but they never stopped to rest. Tony watched the ants for a long time. He learned an important lesson to always work hard and work together as a team. यानी टोनी ने चींटियों से सीखा, क्या सीखा? कि हमें हमेशा कठिन मेहनत करनी चाहिए और एक साथ टीम बनाकर काम करना चाहिए. Now we will match our answers. So now look at question number 8 of scene passage. Student, this is the short form of passage number 2. And now look at question number 8 and its answer number 1. Our first question was, what did they carry? Here are two options, big pieces of food or pieces of sweet. So what would the answer? Its answer number A, means big pieces of food. Big, PIECES, pieces of food. It means we will take answer. Okay. Now we will match our question number 2. Tony watched the ants for hours, and the options are short time or long time. The answer is long time. Long, long time. The answer is number B. Now we will look our question number B, and it's question number 1. What did Tony learn from ants? So we will write this answer here. Tony learned, L-E-A-R-N-T, learned from ants to always work hard and work together as a team. Full stop. Now we will match our question number C. Our question number C was the true and false. So now look at question number 1 of number C. Ants never stop to rest. चींटियां आराम करने के लिए कभी नहीं रुकी. It is true or wrong? False? Yes, it is true. Now look at its question answer. Question number 2. We should not work hard. It is true, student? No, it is wrong. So we will write here false. Now look at question number D. Find out past form words from the passage. Now we will find out the past forms from the passages. Number 1 is came, C-A-M-E, came. Number 2 is W-O-R-K-E-D, worked. Number 3 is M-O-V-E-D, moved. And number 4 is carried, C-A-R-R-I-E-D, carried. Students, came is a past form of come. Move is a past form of move. Work is a past form of work, and carried is a past form of carry. Okay, student? Now, student, your homework is unseen passage 1. Look at this unseen passage 1. The frog and the caterpillar were good friends. यानी frog एक मेढक और caterpillar एक बहुत अच्छे मित्र थे. They used to meet near the mango tree every day. वे हर रोज मैंगो ट्री यानी आम के पेड़ के पास मिलते थे. One day the frog was very excited. एक दिन जो फ्रॉग था, मेढक था, वो बहुत एक्साइटेड था, बहुत उत्तेजित था. He wanted to meet the caterpillar. वो एक्साइटेड था, इसलिए वो कैटरपिलर से मिलना चाहता. So now you will give the answer of these unseen passages questions. Okay, student? Till then, our next video. Goodbye, everyone, and take care.